Well, I hope you're happy. Ms. Velveteen is on strike. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. It's your favorite cousin again. Ms. Velveteen got sick of listening to other people blame their problems on her, so she checked out this week and left me holding the bag. She told me to tell you that her complaint manager is Helen Waite, and that if you have a problem with her, you should go to Helen Waite. Coincidentally, Helen Waite also happens to be the name of my new beverage combination. To make it, all you do is pour yourself a shot of bourbon, then pour yourself a glass of your favorite dry red. Ms. Velveteen didn't have my favorite dry red, so I'm making do. I'm kind of partial to Helen Waite. Anyway, Thursday is Ms. Velveteen's birthday, and I think I'm going to take her for a spa weekend. She could really use a vacation and, frankly, a facial. So anyway, that's it. If you have a complaint, take a number and have a seat, and I'm sure Helen will be with you shortly. But in the meantime, thanks for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and I'll see you again real soon.